Greetings, welcome to my channel. And to this video we've got black mold growing on a garden hose that's been left outside for the winter. We're going to get it cleaned up, looking pretty much brand new again. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, now looking on the inside, it looks like we are pretty clean. This was an issue with lack of ventilation on the outside. If there was mold on the inside, I would just toss it and get a new one. But I think we can get this cleaned up. Again, I left it outside. It was subject to elements, and there wasn't adequate ventilation for it to breed. So that's what caused this growth happening. So we're gonna get this unhooked and bring it into the bathtub here, and we're gonna plug the bathtub, and we're gonna be letting it sit and soak in some solution. We're gonna put the hose as far down as possible to lessen the amount of water that we need, and I'm taking some regular household bleach, and with adequate ventilation, I've got the bathroom fan on. I'm not mixing any chemicals, just water, diluting this bleach with water. But we're going to go ahead and pour this liberally as per the instructions on the back of the bleach canister here. There's a specific ratio, and depending on the bleach that you might be using, that ratio might be different. So read the instructions really well, and again, use adequate ventilation. And I'm getting a tub here and just filling it with water, because that's going to act as a weight to kind of compress the hose down as far as possible into the bathroom tub. Again, that just minimizes the amount of water that you're using to reduce waste. And we're going to go ahead and fill up the hose as well with a little bit of water, fresh water coming out of the tub, just to add weight to the hose, because it's filled with air, right? So it'll float. It'll want to go up on you. So I'm going to press it down as far as possible and make sure that's completely submerged. Let's take a quick break. I've got a to-do list for you. First, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video if you're finding it helpful. If you've got a tip, a question, or just want to share what's worked for you, drop it in the comments below. I love hearing from my viewers. Also, if you're feeling generous and you want to help feed my kids, half joking, not really, hit that thanks button. You can check out my channel merch for some cool DIY Bandit gear. You can shop trusted tools and home products that I use, and even consider becoming a member for some cool exclusive perks. Everything you need is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. So we're going to come back about 24 hours later and look at this. All that black mold is just gone. It's like disintegrated into the water off of the hose. And that is a huge win. You don't have to scrub it or anything. And of course, as I'm rinsing this off, I want to make sure all the bleach is indeed drained and the hose is dry before I transport it through the house. You don't want any of that bleach water, dropping on your carpet or something like that, and staining or bleaching your carpet. That would be a terrible thing. So we're getting fresh water here. Now I've got a spigot, like a detachable faucet, shower head, and with a hose, and I can just spray that off and get all that bleach rinsed off as best as possible. Again, you could take a soft bristled brush and scrub if you wanted to in the tub. That would be probably a better way, but I didn't really need to. I mean, this particular hose, the mold and the mildew just came right off. Now it is filled with water, so I'm going to make sure I grab both ends of the hose when I transport it back outside, and then I can drain it. But look at this. We are pretty much back to normal, looking not brand new, but a lot better than before. Hopefully this has helped you out. Thanks.
Are you okay? Look, come over here.